we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting, related and some of the most mispronounced words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is normally said as rural, rural. Okay, so you have a bit of a ru sound and then a slight o sound and then roll, rural, ru or roll. But it's only two syllable, rural. Okay, did you get this? Now, in American English, it's way simpler. It's simply said as rural, rural in American English versus rural in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.